Welcome to 123 Poop It Out. Please follow, subscribe, like. Okay, so we're growing sprouts. So why should you grow sprouts? Well, first off, it's great to have live food, especially in the wintertime in the northern hemisphere. And it actually increases the amount of vitamins and minerals in the food. So it's really easy to do. All you do is you get a jar like this. This is a window screen with elastic. And then what you do is you soak it overnight. So fill it up, soak it overnight, and then the next day, all you do is, so pretend this has been soaking overnight, drain it, give it a rinse, and that's it. Do that twice a day, and in a couple of days you'll have sprouts. So keep them in the sunlight if you can, even in an apartment building. So that's the other thing. It's great food if you don't have a garden. But keep it where the sun can get it, and the chlorophyll will turn things green. So here we have peas. This is fenugreek. This is really nice. And these are lentils. So that's after a couple of days. Now this is kind of a cool little gizmo to grow them in, but you don't need them. You can just use any kind of jar with the top like that. Well, that's it. Any questions, comments, please send them my way. Click like, notifications, follow, etc. Enjoy. Bye.